researchers say that their film's adhesion was comparable to that of a gecko. The team also placed the adhesive film on the feet of a miniature robot, which moved with ease up a 30-degree incline. This could be exciting. You could see people cleaning the outside of the windows on tall buildings with these suits on, maybe. Climbing up and down and across the ceiling like a gecko. That would be exceptionally cool.
I hear them talking on the street. Words like freedom from oppression, 'cause that's what my people need. So when you hear me, I said it soon come now. How much longer must we keep on talking? A million miles already, and we still go walking. All my life I did talk about the right of the great right way. I said how much longer before we get up and say what people. No more knocking on closed doors. I said, Maori people, gotta wake up, gotta take up the course. Can you feel it coming? A brand new time. I said, Aotearoa, maranga ake ai. Maranga ake ai, ai, ai. Aotearoa, maranga ake ai. I said it soon come now. I said it soon come Wake up, people. Tuake, maranga ake ai, ai, ai. Papaikia, maranga ake ai, ai, ai.
Aotearoa with Maranga Aki Ai, and that was engineered by Ian Morris, the late Ian Morris, released in 1985. It's exactly 7:45. This is RNZ National, and from 8 o'clock, of course, we have Summer Report. That'll take us to 9. Then we have Summer Times with Megan Whelan. Then we'll have our World Watch at around midday, 12:30, Matinee Idol. And here's the thing, I see... I wonder if they'll acknowledge this. This day back in 1965, the first Guess Who album, Shaken All Over, was released. So you'd expect some sort of tribute to that, wouldn't you, on Matinee Idol today? You would. Let's have some current affairs from our World Watch team ahead of the World Watch feature later on. If you're into cycling and e-bikes, this will interest you. The British government is investing in cycling and walking infrastructure across the UK in an attempt to double cycling activity by 2025. Some entrepreneurs believe electric bikes could be part of the change and help cut down on air pollution and traffic congestion at the same time. Our UK correspondent Natalie Powell reports.
Until now, electric bikes have been seen as out of the financial reach of most people, sometimes costing the same amount as a second-hand car and often viewed as a frivolous expense. But cycle hire schemes and new technologies look set to change this. One initiative aiming to make electric bikes more cost-effective is the Switch Bike, which is an e-bike kit that has recently hit its crowdfunding target and will be rolling out production in the coming months. The kit attaches to a regular bike, transforming it into a pedal-assisted electric bike. The entrepreneurs behind the kit say it's affordable, lightweight, and can be used on any bike, even folding bikes and penny farthings. Here's Oliver Montague, the founder and inventor of the Switch Bike.
The conversion kit that we sell converts any bike into an electric bike. It weighs less than 4 kilograms and it can be installed in about 30 minutes. Once it's installed, you can convert it back into a regular bike almost instantly.
As well as the startups, the electric bike has also caught the attention Initiatives like these are aimed at reducing congestion on the roads and bringing down air pollution levels in major cities. Pollution in London is a particular concern for clean air campaigners like Simon Burkett.
London's air pollution is highest in the world probably for nitrogen dioxide, which is the toxic gas, and it's very high for particle levels. But it is a serious problem, probably about 50% above the World Health Organization guideline.
To tackle this, the British government is launching initiatives to double cycling activity by 2025. It's reported that if the UK government's walking and cycling targets were met, this would significantly reduce air pollution and prevent around 13,000 premature deaths per year. And that's one of the major driving forces behind those attempting to make e-bikes more accessible, as Oliver Montague, the founder and inventor of the Switch Bike e-bike system, explains.
I think everyone in the UK and all over the world wants to change their lifestyle and the way that they get around to reduce emissions and to make everyone's lifestyle more sustainable. One problem is that changing the way you live is difficult, and unless it's fun and convenient and cheap to do that is a tough ask. So I don't think many people can use electric cars yet because they're too expensive. But electric bikes are very affordable, especially with our Switch conversion kit. They're also extremely fun. So that's why I think it's a really great way to promote sustainable transport.
Electric bikes provide power assistance of up to 15 miles per hour, enabling riders to keep up with traffic in most city centres where speed limits are often 20 to 30 miles per hour. And because of this, many in the industry are predicting that bikes will go electric even before cars. I'm Natalie Powell in London for World Watch.
Thank you, Natalie. It's coming up to 10 minutes to 8. I don't know about electrically assisted biking. Is it sort of cheating a bit? I don't know. Apparently you can get dog doors. Thank you, Meg, and thank you to Leona. You say, yes, you can buy dog flaps, though our dogs use the cat flap because they're small. And Ingrid says in Gisborne that I saw one of those flaps on sale yesterday, so you can get them. Well, I'm not a doggy guy, so I didn't know. And thank you to the texter who pointed out that the track we played just before, Maranga Ake Ai, Aotearoa, their debut single from '85, written and sung by the now Justice Joe Williams. Yes, wow. That's cool. It's 10 to 8.
Your cup of tea is too cold for me, but I love you anyhow. The dinner you make is a little bit burnt on the bake, but I love you anyhow. Honey, we are different. Two of us change every day. Honey, just listen, my heart is telling us it loves you anyway. Your bedtime is different to mine, but I smile when you're near. You pull the covers to your side, my lover, but I still smile must change every day. Honey, just listen, my heart is telling us it loves you anyway. Thinking of you is like finding the clouds. You spin me round and round and round. I'm nowhere near the ground. Your cup of tea is too cold for me, but I love you anyhow.
Nice track from Umria Grinnell and Honey. 7 minutes to 8, and we'll have the news at 8 and then summer report. Time to squeeze in one more item of current affairs. India's toxic air has been grabbing headlines recently, but one of the country's most beautiful tourist destinations has a different pollution problem: rubbish. Piles of rubbish, blighting parts of the high Himalayas where tourists flock each year. The ABC's James Bennett has more on that.
Its beauty.
The Manali to Leh highway is India's Route 66, a rough yet iconic ribbon of tarmac and gravel snaking through the high Himalayas, popular with travellers the world over.
It's hundreds and hundreds of square